Hi, I'm Amy Feller with Feller Roofing, the home of the roofer chick, and we're doing a project spotlight today. On this house, when the customer originally called us, he had an old 3-tab roof and had had some wind damage. And we knew there was wind damage, or he knew there was wind damage because he was missing some tabs, which is pretty common with a 3-tab roof. We went out, inspected it, and in addition to the wind damage, we found hail damage. And he filed with his insurance, which was Travelers, and won a full replacement. We came back with a dimensional shingle instead of the 3-tab with a higher wind rating, and he chose the color of weathered wood. You can also notice that we did a new chimney cricket to help divert water around the chimney and prevent future leaks. We just love how this project turned out. It looks so much more aesthetically pleasing with a dimensional shingle instead of a 3-tab. We also closed off old turbines. This customer had wind turbines, which are kind of outdated technology, and we replaced those with ridge vents, which are much more energy efficient. Thank you for joining us today on this project spotlight. We hope you join us again soon. I'm Amy with Feller Roofing, home of the roofer chick.